Flush power steering fluid. You need steering fluid to boost the power steering system of your car. As a lubricant, it can help it run efficiently and slickly. Essentially, it is a combination of a base stock and a specific kind of additive. Now, if suddenly, the power steering pump of your car gets bogged down by a severe mechanical malfunction, flushing your steering fluid becomes necessary. Here are your step-by-step guidelines. You need the convenience of an open space. So, move your car into the park or into an open field. Turn off your car's engine. Open the hood of your car. Secure it properly. You should be able to work underneath it later. Check out the power steering system of your car. On top, you can see the filter. Remove it. In some instances, the filter may not be easily found. So, if you don't see it on top of the power steering system, refer to your car's owner's manual for specific instructions. Separate the radiator from the overflow tank. Detaching them from each other allows you to easily access your power steering reservoir. Make sure that the tank is placed somewhere nearby. You need to replace it later. Seek the bottom part of your power steering reservoir. You can find a hose there. Disconnect it. Be patient here. Removing the hose can be tough. Once you have removed the hose from the power steering reservoir, you need to have another hose. Use it as a replacement. Once attached, it should go straight to an empty container. Meanwhile, the container stores the old power steering fluid once you have flushed it out from the reservoir. Get your car jack. Use it to raise from the ground your car's front end. Begin to pour the new power steering fluid into your car's reservoir. As you add it, the old power steering fluid is forced to pass through the tube that you have attached a while ago at the bottom of your reservoir. Position yourself into your car's driver's seat. Then, hold onto your steering wheel. Rack it steadily, back and forth. Make sure that your car's wheels are properly locked in. They should permit a slight mobility range. This process can help in draining the extra lubricant from your car's power steering system. Once the old steering fluid is flushed, fill up the new one. You may need to rack your car's steering wheel some more. This permits you to push out the air that may be inconveniently trapped along the lines. When you have accomplished that, the hard part of the job is literally over. You may now disconnect the hose attached to the bottom part of the reservoir and then, Take away the container. Put back the filter in and the overflow tank. And finally, close your car's hood. Remember, if your car is well maintained, you have a maximum of about 200,000 miles before the need to replace your power steering fluid comes around.